Tucked away right in the heart of Harding Township, Bayne Park is a quiet, pocket-sized neighborhood gem. If you aren't looking for it, you might easily drive right past the entrance on Blue Mill Road, but it offers a quintessential, peaceful North Jersey escape for anyone who stops by. The centerpiece of the park is its picturesque Bayne Pond, where a gentle, clear walking path loops completely around the water, taking you past open fields, tall grasses, and a classic long fence. The park's most distinguishing physical features are the tiny, arched stone bridges that cross over the creek feeding the pond. Local kids affectionately refer to them as troll bridges, and they give the entire space a storybook, English countryside feel that makes it a favorite hidden spot for local landscape photographers and families. The park is primarily designed for passive recreation, meaning it is an ideal spot for quiet relaxation, short meditative walks, and dog walking. In the warmer months, the pond is a tranquil place to look for fish, frogs, and local waterfowl, while scattered benches and picnic tables along the water's edge provide nice spots to sit and read or enjoy a quiet lunch. When New Jersey winters get cold enough and the ice freezes over safely, the pond occasionally transforms into a local neighborhood ice skating spot. Because it lacks the playgrounds or sports fields of larger county parks, it stays incredibly quiet and perfect if you want to avoid loud crowds. Beyond being a scenic retreat, Bayne Park plays a vital role in the local ecosystem. The stream running through the property is Bayne Brook, a primary tributary of the Great Brook. The Great Swamp Watershed Association actively partners with the township here to plant vegetated buffers around the pond, using native plants to help filter out pollutants and protect the water quality before it flows downstream directly into the Great Swamp National Wildlife Refuge. If you plan to visit, there is a small on-site parking lot directly off Blue Mill Road for easy access. It is helpful to keep in mind that while it is a great spot for a quick outdoor break or a picnic, public restrooms are generally unavailable or highly restricted depending on the season, so it is best to plan your trip accordingly.
can't use the losses, you know.
I'm whistling. I'm almost there.
You're almost there. Are you studying?